Cheryl from Alaska. How are you doing? I live on an island here in Alaska, and I appreciate you getting on to watch the video. We are going to be talking about 4 reasons why you absolutely need a side hustle. 4 reasons, and let's get started. 1, you definitely want to have a profitable online business. It is the safest way to make money and stay safe and impact others and be able to help people's lives. Very important in the time we live in. We know the pandemic, lots of people lost their income, and so you really need a side hustle these days. These days, you never know what's going to happen, and you can stay safe and you can help other people, which is really awesome from the comforts of your own home or while you're on vacation. You know, I went to visit my mom for a month in Florida, and I was able to do my business from home, from Florida, and have a good time around the pool and all the good things. So yes, that is number 1, very important, very good point. And number 2 is, who doesn't care? Who doesn't want extra money? That makes everything faster. I mean, you think about it. What you can do with financial goals, you can pay off credit cards, you can pay off a debt, you can pay off a student loan, medical bills. I mean, you can buy a house. You can have freedom and be on the go and go on trips. And that is really important to have that option. Very good point number 2. And so point number 3 is it can also become a full-time gig. Because if something were to happen to your main job or whatever your other business you're doing, you've always got this one, right? You've always got your business from home that you can earn full-time. And last but not least, you probably have more time than you think. Like you're on Facebook or Instagram and you're not getting paid, right? I mean, really, think about it. Things that you normally do, you can be at home and do them and stay at home and be safe. Be there with your kids, whatever you got to do, errands, run, whatever. You can do that. You don't have to wait till you get off work. You don't have to go pick up the kids from the babysitters. I mean, what a treat that would be. And so that is my 4 tips that why you absolutely need a side hustle in this day and age. And no excuses. Cut it out. Cut it out, and you can do a side hustle. And if you want to know what my side hustle is, you can look in my link below and check it out. And so I appreciate you watching my video from Alaska. So bye. Thanks.